Well, it's a gorgeous day outside, which means it's of course a good day for spring cleaning, to have the windows open and have the fresh air blowing through as I get at things with TSP and give this kitchen a really thorough clean because we've got a special guest coming tomorrow. So I'm planning on getting on hands and knees and getting into the corners and pulling out the white goods and putting things away that need to be put away, just a general tidy up. And then actually deep cleaning around all the crevices. And as I look up in the corner here, I can see another cobweb because it's the season. So let's see how we can get on. I don't particularly have a plan of attack, but I'm thinking maybe just one wall at a time. We'll just take everything down, scrub it all down, take stuff out, clean the shelves, and just keep working our way around, a little bit at a time. First, Jan, can we just get a little round of applause for the two of us just casually moving this behemoth, right? I mean, we are women of a certain age, right? But I am sad to admit that this is what is happening back here. And you can see why I'm into some spring cleaning. I'm very sorry, everyone. Jan just saved my bacon again. I've been running around the house for, what, 10 minutes? Going, where's the TSP? Where's the TSP? And I looked down in the basement, and I looked out in the garage, and I looked here, and I looked there. Yeah, and I didn't look in which cupboard?
In your, where you keep all your cleaning stuff?
Yeah, that's it, the cleaning cupboard, yeah. So, thanks, Jan. Next step, we're going to put things back now that we cleaned all the spots that nobody can see, which is really important. Yeah. We're thinking making this a little more French country aesthetic. We've got Phil doing some polishing.
Yeah.
I was thinking some of the copper pots, a couple of the vases. Will you still be my mother-in-law, Jan? Because I wouldn't blame you for disowning me for this. That's not pretty back there. That is not pretty. All right, everyone, I'm very brave. I'm going in. Oh, this is not attractive back here. No, it's not. Oh dear, it's been a while since I cleaned back here apparently. Time to do that too. This is behind the stove area. Gosh. All right, I've been scrubbing back there with the TSP. It's looking better. Thank you for mopping up after, Jan, but I still feel like we could do better. Better. It's better? I'm trying to tell myself it's better. Well, I went hunting for something to go with the copper pots, and this little teapot that Steve got on one of his travels is really adorable. And Phil, thank you very much, Phil, has been doing some polishing, and so I think we've got a little triptych for the other corner. Okay, so we've got a few little triptychs up there. I feel like we need a little more color or greenery or something up there, so I might keep fiddling about with it, but it's cleaner, it's fresher. Well, It's now the next morning and much cleaning has been done. Walls have been washed, things have been sanitized to within an inch of their life, floors have been scrubbed, decoration has been rearranged. The only thing we didn't manage to get done was replace the chandelier, but that's coming soon. So here we go. Hopefully our special guest will appreciate this kitchen. Hey, Stuart.
Bonjour.
Who's here?
Yay!
Yeah.
This was our, so I did a bit of blogging earlier about cleaning our kitchen, you know, in honor of your visit.
Yes,
saying we had a very
thank
special
you.
guest coming. So, yeah. So we've taken you out on this beautiful day, or at least it's beautiful on this side. It's more ominous that way, but
Yeah, don't look over there.
this side is beautiful, and we are in Saint-Jean-de-Caux, Stephen's hometown.
My mom's name is Jean,
Yeah,
and our last name is Cole, so that's why we're here.
yeah, exactly. And it's a coal river, and it's a plus beau village, and we just thought we would show Stuart our beautiful little edge of town. What do you think?
I'm kind of in love.
Yeah.
I think I'll switch Paris for this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it's
Especially since the trash is literally on fire in
the trash
Paris
is
right
literally
now.
on fire. Yes.
Yeah.
Paris smells gorgeous right now. But this is a very Beauty and the Beast vibe. You just want to break out into song every time you turn a corner.
Yeah,
We're
We're not
absolutely.
going to,
Yeah,
just so
I
you
mean,
know.
we could.
We'll go for it.
yeah.
Well, I'm not going to.
Double dog dare you. Come on. Gaston?
What's the Gaston song?
Yeah.
No one fights like Gaston. No one bites like Gaston. Something like that.
Something like that, yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
welcome.
Merci. Thank you so much.
Well, it is a lovely Sunday.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, the weather is, well,
It's
changeable.
overcast,
It's
but
changeable.
nice. Yeah.
And we have all decided to come out to Saint-Emilion and actually on to Bordeaux.
Yep.
So we're here with my lovely parents and our friend Stuart, which we're working on making some arrangements with in the future.
Yep.
And we've come to a couple of wineries in the Saint-Emilion region. And we're just about to have a lovely tasting of the wines at, what is this one called again?
Chateau Ambe Pourret.
I'm glad she said that one because I'm not getting that one out. So we've decided to try these wines out. We'll see
Yeah.
what they're like. Tell you how they go.
The owner is coming from Dunkirk. Okay, so she wanted to become a viticulturist. So in 2001, she came into Bordeaux to learn. So she bought the first Chateau Moulin de Clotte, which is a Castillon Côte de Bordeaux appellation. In 2003, she bought a second chateau. It's Chateau Lanbersac, which is a Puy-Seguin Saint-Emilion appellation. And in 2007, she bought Chateau Pourret, which is our Saint-Emilion Grand Cru appellation. Okay, so
Excellent.
she had 3 chateaux in total. Okay,
Lovely.
and her daughter bought a Maison de Crémant, a sparkling house, in 2015. Okay, so it's in the Entre-deux-Mers appellation. Okay, the green part here. We age it here. Okay. So we have 3 chateaux and 1 sparkling house, so it's quite good.
Lovely.
This chateau is certified organic since 2015. So that means no pesticide, no chemical fertilizer to treat the vines, so only product of natural origins. So we use the bouille bordelaise, a mixture of copper, lime and water to kill the mildew. And we can also use sulfur in reasonable doses. Okay, every viticulturist can use it when you are... every viticulturist can use it. When you are organic, you can use it, but really limited doses. Okay, and the sulfur is going to kill the odium, which is the fungus who attacks the vines.
Okay.
And the 2 other chateaux are in transition. Okay, but to become organic, we need 3 years of transition.
Okay. And the chateau house itself, when does it date from?
The chateau is from 1811.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's really,
Yeah.
really old.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
that one too?
It's very smooth, yes.
Yeah,
I'm
delicious.
really enjoying this one.
Yeah. I think we found a winner here.
And just sit back, relax. Yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly, that's the type.
That's the job.
I could, you could sit quietly and drink this and read a book. You don't have to have it with a meal.
Right?
Yeah.
Having a nice day, my love?
Yeah, so we finally made it to Bordeaux. Had lovely, lovely coffee out on the terrace.
Yep.
And now having a little stroll, but the weather is beautiful. It's changed and the blue skies are out, so having a good day.
Awesome.
As our newsletter subscribers already know, we've got some very cool 1, 2, and 3 day workshops coming up in June and July this year. We're including supplies and lunch in your workshop, and you can optionally book a stay at the Chateau. Check out the link in the description for more information.